name's Andy Novatek. He's former law enforcement. I got into working certified K-9 dogs for detection purposes. We have several dogs that are trained for narcotics, explosives, and tracking. We do a lot of proactive work with in the narcotic area and maintaining a drug-free environment. The dog we're working with today is named Abel. He's a 6-year-old black German Shepherd from Czech Republic. He's a good worker and he's a big dog. Oh, buddy. Where's your leash? Grab the leash. To relieve himself.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you. Picking nothing up.
Okay.
I want to use my light you're closer there. And what you have to remember is, like, sometimes there could have been something there.
Mm-hmm.
It permeates the residue.
Mm-hmm.
We purposely do that when we train them.
Mm-hmm.
We'll
Good.
put stuff there and then take it out.
Mm-hmm.
We use old marijuana seeds, maybe 6 months old,
Right.
dried up, and they still hit them.
Leave it out and then check all the other ones.
Good clutch. Good clutch. I try to use passive dogs, you know, that are not too aggressive. We do a lot of schools and private schools. And around kids, you can't have a dog that's going to snap. He's a food hound, so sometimes he will go for food anytime. Good boy. Get a light.
I'm just trying to get the
Need like a-
no manual on.
Yeah, there's something underneath the leather. I don't know if you can look that one. Sorry, was it under there?
It's like it's wedged in there, huh? You need like a knife or something.
Yeah.
actually, being that it rained, doing something here would actually intensify it.
Yeah.
Wet. Physically seeing it here. Slow down, that's about. Not showing much interest out here.
Okay.